Canned food is convenient and I get it. But what's really in those store-bought beans, chickpeas and lentils? Let me tell you, mostly added preservatives we didn't ask for. And honestly, we don't even know the origin or quality of what we're eating. That's why today I show you how to can your own chickpeas and lentils at home. It's simple, empowering and it tastes so much better. Whether you're new to canning or just want real food in your pantry, this is for you. Plus, it takes just over 30 minutes of active preparation. Canning legumes at home is an investment in your culinary freedom, sustainability and the joy of eating well. Everything I'm sharing today is part of a deeper food philosophy I unpack in the Mindful Kitchen Map. This is my cookbook and is a blueprint and a guide to reconnect with your kitchen. Also reduce stress and cook in a way that aligns with your real life. I leave the link in the description if you want to check it out. So for today you'll need dried chickpeas and lentils, water, a bit of salt, sterilized jars with a tight lid and a pot or pressure cooker if you have one. Start by soaking your legumes in cold water, chickpeas for 1 to 2 days and lentils for about 12 hours. Be sure to change the water at least once a day. After soaking, the legumes will have doubled in size. Drain and cook them. Then add the salt at the end of the cooking time and let them rest in the salted water for a few minutes. Now pack the legumes into jars. Cover them with a cooking liquid, seal tightly, wrap in cloth and boil again for 30 minutes. If you want to elevate the flavor, you can add garlic, herbs, spices directly into the jar before sealing. Think rosemary, cumin or bay leaves. Allow the jars to cool in a pot and check that a vacuum seal has formed. When you press the lid, there should be no give, no air. If not, repeat the boiling process. You can store the jarred legumes in a cool dark place for up to a year. Once opened, you consume within a week. This is all very easy and I don't consider it merely food prep. For me, it's all an act of care. Every jar saves me time and gives me peace of mind because I know exactly what I'm opening. Clean nutrition and flavor made with intention. And that's how I think about everything I prepare. Once you taste young canned chickpeas, you'll never go back. Just try and make one hummus with the store-bought version and one with your own. Then come back to me. If you got any value today, give a like to the video, subscribe and share with someone who loves real food. Also, don't forget to check the Mindful Kitchen Map, I will leave the link below. Until next time, peace!